Man, when you love your grill, man. Smoked steak flanks for breakfast. Look at that right there. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got the smoke tube going in there. Oh, we're about done. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so you can see I cut the strings off. And this is how it look. You can see, look at that, look at that texture. You can tell they got that smoke up in the underside. So you gotta look at how basically the strings are running. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut it at an angle like this. Now y'all know I like mine medium rare, but I went a little longer today, guys, because I wanted to see if that smoke ring was gonna develop. So you can see that's good looking meat right there. Good looking meat right there. Only thing we got left to do, you can look at that, man. You can see you got that smoke ring. See that juice up in there? Look at that. You know. So this is about medium rare, but I like mine's a little pinker. Can I say pinker? That's the word. Taste test. I'm gonna go ahead and put that with them eggs, and that's breakfast. Egg and steak.